Kamusta mga tol? Welcome to the first Berserker Kazan. Demo pa lang to. Nirelease siya last week yata, pero yung main game i-release siya sa end of March this year. So, let's go. Let's play this demo. New game. Nice. Mount Haymak. The great General Kazan, hero of the Empire and the most powerful warrior of his time, battled alongside his closest friend, the renowned mage Ozma. Together, they vanquished Hismar and the Berserk Dragon, earning their place as celebrated heroes of the Empire. Alright. Nakita ko yung trailer nito eh. The Emperor sentenced Great General Kazan and Ozma to the gravest punishment possible for crimes against the Empire. Huh? Kala ko ba hero sila? Parang convicted of treason, Kazan endured merciless torture, culminating in the severing of the tendons in both his arms and his exile. What? Grabing torture naman. Teka, yung binasa ko kanina parang hero sila. Nakita ko na yung trailer nito eh, parang ano siya eh. May pagka-anime yung graphics niya. May advantage at disadvantage yung medyo anime yung graphics ng game. Isa sa mga disadvantage is hindi makatotohanan, pero at the same time advantage din nila yun kasi parang hindi basta-basta naluluma yung graphics na ganun eh. See, hero nga talaga siya. So, ibig sabihin mo, may door lang sa kanila? Grabe naman. May nag-cause ng ano. May lumipad eh, no? Merong magsasabotage sa kanila. Nakakaramdam mo yung mga kabayo. Yun oh. Ba't kasi sila uminto? Oh, patay.
A physical form.
Nag-heal ba yung mga sugat niya? Parang nag-heal yung mga sugat niya, no? No, angas. Angas ng graphics, brad. Now, let's see. Oh, shit. Move, camera rotation, basic. Angas ng graphics, brad. This one we like. Ikaw ba yung nagsasalita? Ah, di ba ikaw? Pwede na ba tayong tumakbo? Look at that. Yung graphics niya parang ano, no? Ano nga ba yung laro na yun? Code Vein.
What happened? Your body, it's ours now.
Oh, really?
Requires it. Surrender. Surrender to us now. You hear us. Join us. Or get out.
What do you mean, get out? How? Join us or get out?
No.
What do you mean?
Stop!
Wala pang malulot siguro, no? Diretso lang tayo, hindi pa ako pwedeng tumakbo. Nag-heal ba ako? Parang naghihingalo pa din eh. Uy. Bonfire? Oh shit.
Stop. You really want to die? Then embrace the energy of the blade if you want to live.
Oh. Is that a sword?
Your body is fully healed. The power of death cannot claim you now.
Akala ko nag-heal na siya kanina. Ngayon pa lang pala.
Do you feel it? The energy of the netherworld. That is what flows through you.
The energy of the netherworld.
Join.
Yun. Tsaka na isang pasak palakol, isang espada. Nice. Okay, swift attack. Okay, let's find a way out of here. Swift attack square. Nice. Combo. Ilan yun? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Potent blow. What is potent blow? Discharge attack? Ah, charge attack nga. Charge mo nga natin. Ah, okay. Automatic. Heavy attack pala yon, yung triangle. Tapos automatic siyang mag-a-attack. Nice. Yung ibang game kasi kahit gaano katagal mo i-charge eh. Lock on. Oy, may lock on. Nice. Change lock on enemy. Okay. Pretty basic. L1 guard. Press the guard button to use stamina to block attacks. While guarding, movement speed and stamina recovery rate are reduced. Okay. Guard at the right time during an enemy's attack to execute a bring guard. This action will consume a small amount of stamina to block the attack and reduce the enemy's stamina or fortitude gauge. Oh, okay. So parry. L1 is shield and parry. So may stamina system to. Parang ano ah. Souls like to ah. Let's see. Nice. Oh! Aray ko! Triple attack na pala agad. Netherworld energy. Kazan consumes netherworld energy to recover health. Okay, heal. Interacting with the blade nexus replenishes his netherworld energy. Okay. Later. Okay. Try natin yan. Shield. Whoa. Kukunat mo. Destination, prisoner Kazan form. Okay. Hindi pwedeng i-hold. Walang hold square. Okay. Sprint. Oh. Wait. Pwede mag-sprint ng X? Ah, pwede din mag L3 or X ang sprint. Okay, nice. Lock. Come on. Oh, ako naman. Ikaw naman, ako na lang. Aray! Sorry. What? Naubos na yung pang-heal ko. Dodge. Okay, dodge. Use stamina to dodge enemy's attack. Okay. Let's try that. Aray! Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Oh my gosh. Nayari tayo dun sa... Sige na. Okay. Let's try that again. Wala na. Wait lang. Ito. There you go. Iwas tayo dun sa sa may namamana. Come on! Huwag mo nang patakasin yan, Brad. Ito. May namamana kasi. Kaganto eh. Whoa! Whoa! Not today, brother. Uy! Wala na akong stamina. Aray! Halika dito. Nasaan yung mamana na yon? Gunggong ka! Ano ka? Akin na yan. Yun, marami pa tayong pang-heal. Behind unsuspecting enemy, walk. May stealth mechanics against exhausted enemy. Brutal attacks can be executed against... Ha? Oh, okay. Finishing move. Saan tayo? Dito. Walk lang daw. Whoop. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan. Katangan mo ka. Basag ang likod. Okay, let's try the finishing moves. Wala nang kalaban. Mid-air. Oh, okay. Jump attack. Fall attack. Biyak. Wait lang. Wala na pang ano, no? Wala pang malulut. Medyo ano Hey Mac. Medyo maliit yung window sa sa pari Nice. Come on, let's go. Some enemies can maintain their stance even when attacked. Use a potent blow to break their stance. Okay, let's go. Aray ko, hindi inaabot. Whoop. Makulit ka. Teka lang, walang stamina. Ako naman. Boom. Let's go. Lakas ng bawas. Mana lantern, what is that? Use netherworld energy. Oh, okay. Mana lanterns and consumables can be added to hotkeys, allowing for quick access during battles. Items assigned to hotkeys can be used pressing assign automatically, but okay. How? Oh. What's mana lantern is? What is this? Is it just a light?
A tear, a soul. Accept it. It will give us strength.
Lacrima, soul, tear, dust. Now you too will hear.
Hear the memories of the dead.
Oh, okay. Backstories. Wala naman Anyway. I wonder kung anong mas effective dito, dodge or parry. Kasi meron lahat siya May shield, may parry, may dodge. Depende siguro sa kalaban. Shield, save point. Collected lacrima can be used to upgrade kasi. Okay. Pero save point ba to? Malamang. Pwede mag-upgrade Ibig sabihin, pwede naman tayong mag-upgrade. Vitality. Oh, pwede na. Wait lang. 2 available. Siyempre, sa buhay muna tayo. Malakas yung malakas yung bawas ng mga kalaban Ayos. May heal. Na-heal na tayo doon. Let's go. Oh, wait. Dito muna tayo. Wow. Nahulog siya. Halika dito. Uy. Puta. Tamaan mo. Ang hina ng bawas ko, Brad. Ooh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Aray ko, aray po. Ooh. Absorb it.
Die. I need to see my daughter.
Okay. Nangyari sa'yo dyan. Some enemies require a charge attack to break their stance, while potent blows won't break their stance. Attacking repeatedly once their stance is broken will keep them down, allowing Kazan to deal significant damage. Okay. Oh shit, ano to? Boss ba to? Let's go! Wow! Aray ko, nalayo naman ng ano. Oh! Wait. Relax. Heal nga muna ako. Ah! Uy! Aray! Oh! Makulit ka ha. Teka, wala na rin akong buhay. Uy! Puti. What? Ang layo ng reach, man. Okay. Test pa lang yon. Kasi masyadong malayo yung reach niya. Uy, gagi! Hindi pala dyan. Relax. Dito pala. Bubo. Dito ba yun? Parang hindi. Pabalik to eh. Dito tayo. Oh, tama. Mali ang daan natin. Ba't nahulog? Dito pala sa pataas. What? Teka lang. Teka. Walang daan dun eh. Saan ako? Dito. Pambira. Hop. Dito muna tayo. Ito yung pumapatay sa akin eh. Waray ko. Pwede palang ipang combo yung ano. Heavy attack. Kaya naka-order na siya eh. Hindi niya na alam kung saan siya pupunta eh. Attack! Uy! Exhaustion. Aray ko po. Anong klaseng attack yun? Whoop! Oh! Bitin! Delayed? Uy, teka lang. Ooh, let's go. Halika dito. Aray ko. Oh, man. Heal. Patay ka na. Hell yeah. Loko ka. Buhay pa ba to? Nakahiga to. Kunin muna natin to. Pataas ba? Taas ba yun? Alamang sa taas eh, no? So, uy. Excuse me. What's in the box? Oh, wait. Here. Uy, meron na palang ganito eh. 34, mas malakas to. Meron na pala niyan eh. 30. Dito, 30. Nice. Nababago ba yung itsura ko? Uy! Nabago yata. Uy, oo nga, nabago nga. Angas. Now, saan tayo galing dito? Dito tayo galing kanina, di ba? Tama. Kapag nag-save ba ako, try nga natin. Magsisave ako. Kung mabubuhay yung malaki. Ano baka mabuhay yung malaki? Sige nga, save natin. Para malaman lang natin. Kasi pag upgrade stats, wala. Try nga natin. Pag nabuhay yung malaki, hindi na natin ulitin yan. Buhay nga sila. Try natin ng malupit. Makulit ka. Dahil na. Let's go. Ay, shit. Buhay nga siya. At least nalaman natin, di ba? Aray! Aroy! Uy! Tibahag! Come on, ayoko mag-heal. Aray ko po! Ah, my gosh. Uy! Munti ka muna ako mapatay doon ha. Bye-bye. Hitch. Ayoko na. Alis na tayo. Diyan na wala na akong buhay. Wait. Ano to? Shortcut? May saving may save point pala dito malapit eh. Kaya na, wait. What? Narinig ako? God damn. Kailangan ko ba mag-heal? Nasaan yung save point? Nasaan yung save point? Holy shit. No. I need to heal here. Aray! Uy! Aray! Oh no! Wait. Relax. Ganun din. Makulit ka. Come on, attack. Naubos din yung pang-heal ko sa inyo. Saan yung ano? Yung save point. Ibang save point to eh. Merong isang save point kanina, di ba? Same din yata yun. Ayoko na. Hindi na ako babalik dun. Pero may paikot sana eh, no? I wonder how. I wonder where. Holy shit, what's that? The fuck? Nasa labas na tayo eh. Meron pang hindi babalik ba ako? Na nga. Wait. What's that? Tao ba yun? Oh shit. Oof. What? Yun yung lock. Alright. Parang gusto kong bumalik eh. Huwag ka nang bumangon dyan. Wow! Holy shit! Nadudurog pala yun. Mga bumagsak din to ah. Wala na. Hindi ako nagdadodge eh. Pinapakiramdaman ko pa kung anong dapat, anong tama, anong mas effective. Dodge or shield or parry. Saan tayo dadaan? Mababa tayo? Putas din to ah. Wait a minute. Ay, puki na eh. Yun ang damang mali. Yun ang maling daan. Hingi na mo. Nagulat ako. Tama ba to? Mali to. Tama. Gagong yan. Ba't kasi namamasyal pa eh? Sa butas na yan, baka ito malaglag ulit ha. Shield. My goodness. Makulit ka ah. Dapat pala dodge attack yung sa mga unggoy na yun eh. Dodge attack. One shot. Saan ba kasi tadaan? Dito ba? Wala naman dito eh. Dito? Ayun, sa baba. Okay. Jump attack. Buong na. Alam mo ka? Mga abang ka pa. Uy, wow. Kitang-kita ka dyan, boy. Pababa ba tayo? Papaba nga. Ay, uy! Lock mo! Importante yung lock dito. Pababa ulit. Okay. Ayun, may nakita akong kamay. Loko ka. Tatago ka pa dyan, ah. Oh, tama. Okay. Alright. Nice. Nagtatago yung mga unggoy, yung mga gago. Yung mga uy, teka, ano yun? Mukhang malaki yun ah. What up? Oh shit. Roof. Uy, aray. Aray, teka lang. Attack boy. Attack. Uy, aray ko po. Shit. Heal ulit. Whoa. You're dead. Wala ka pala eh. Wala akong pang-heal. Talo siya ng pang-heal ko eh.
There are Yetis here. Everyone run.
Now. Oof. Dodge attack. Whoa. Ha. Alam ko na kung technique sa inyo. Dodge. Boy ka pa. Ano? Nasusurprise sila eh. Dito ba? Parang hindi dito. Oh, paikot. Uy, save point. Teka lang. So, meron daan dun sa kabila. Ikot tayo. Konti. Dito yun. Papunta dito. Ito yung ano yung nasa taas? Oh, what is this? Energy emitting or Dito ako galing eh. Dito ako galing. So, wala dito. Ay, hindi, meron dito. Anong meron dito? Ano, may mga unggoy na naman dito. Ay, shit! Bobo mo naman. Bye. Oh, shit! Oh! Oh, shit! Heal, 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 heal. Makulit ka, dyan na inubos mo yung heal ko ah. Wow! Wow! Wow, relax! Wow! Shit! Patay mo na. Yes! Wala ka pala eh. Uy, bagong shoes. Uy, meron na ang helmet. Mas mataas. Mas mataas. 195. Parang mas okay pa rin tong may additional stats yung isa eh. Ito, kailangan to. Bago na akong shoes. Ay. May helmet na. Parang ayoko nang may helmet. Meron bang settings? Yung controls, aim, assist, static, may auto lock ba? Action, defense, walang auto lock. Accessibility, auto lock, yun. Display, yun. Parehas hinahanap ko nasa isang settings. Akin na yan. Now, we can save na. Wala na akong pang heal. Okay nang ina. Mas okay na tayong walang helmet. Mas okay tingnan. Uy. What is this? Tear, Salmon Stone. Wag lang may magso-surprise sa atin. Patay tayo dito. Wow, may naririnig ako. Ay, hindi. Nasaan na ang save point? Yes, sir. Save mo na. Ayos. Nag-level up. Vitality, syempre. Matatamaan at matatamaan kasi tayo. Kaya kailangan natin madaming buhay. Uy, may naririnig ako. May nag-growl. Uy! Nope. Yun, automatic lock. Makulit ka ha. Op. Stamina. Aray ko, nakadalawa ka. Loko ka. Potent attack combo. Saan tayo pupunta? Tama ba itong dinadaanan ko? What? Wait. I don't like that. What do you mean help you? Bakit nandito ka? Pakulit ka. Humingi ng tulong yun. Oh, shit. Lah. Teka lang. Nag-aaway sila. Boom! Tayo mo na. Patayin ko kaya to. Pero hindi mo. Ayun. Takbo tayo ulit. Patay muna natin tong gagi na to. Nakikisama ka eh. Yan ka lang. Hayaan mo silang mag-away. Boom! Patay na natin yan. Wow, wow, wow. Attack! Let's go. Ba't kasi kayo nag-aaway? Uy! Ito yung nakita ko kanina. Shortcut. Shortcut papunta to saan? Teka, balik tayo dun sa ano. May nalampasan akong lugar eh. So, pwede dyan. Yung pinaglabasan nung ano, humihingi ng tulong. Tapos inatake ako. Dito ba yun? Saan yung pinatay ko kanina? Dito yata yan. Sino yung tinatakbuhan niya dito? Uy, patay tayo dito. Ay, kailangan ko mag-save. Ay, hindi. Sige, hindi. Sige, wag na tayo mag-save. Meron pa naman tayong buhay. Kaya pa yan. Ano meron dito? Uy, may bear. Come on, let's go. Wow! Ay, na-stun ako ah. Aray! 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 Hindi! Wow! 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 Heal! Heal! Motherfucker here! Wow! Not today, motherfucker. Aray! Patay tayo dyan. Diyan na. Corner kasi ako eh. Sige, sige. First time lang naman. Kayang-kaya yan. Para dito yung shortcut. Let's go. Kaya lang, hindi. What? Wait. Oh, man. Holy shit. Not today, motherfucker. Wala ka dyan. Halika dito, sumama kayo sa akin. Hala, hala, hala. Hala, hala. Taki mo. Atakin mo. Yes. Aray. Patay siya. Uy, 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 yun. Nice. Thank you sa tulong. Not today, motherfucker. Uy, uy, uy. Heal. Uy. Boy ka pa. Yes, sir. Hound top. Year pala. Uy, okay yun ah. Siyempre, yan na yun. Bagong sapatos. 132. Nice. Secret location lang pala to. So parang may na-miss talaga ako kanina. Sa kabilang kuweba. Uy, may bagong sword. 42. Siyempre, yan na tayo. Accessories. Necklace of commitment. Nice. So, lalabas na tayo dito. Tapos may mga kalaban ulit sa labas. So, nakuha na natin yan. Maglalaban ba sila ulit? May shortcut na dito eh. Oh my gosh. Aray! Makulit kang bata ka ha. Ah! I'm not playing with you anymore. Mukha. Ah, hindi pala pwedeng makyat dito. Naglalaban na sila sa taas. Mga kumag na naglalaban. Ikot tayo ulit. Tingnan natin kung may pag-save naman ako eh. Heal muna ako. Naglalaban na sila ulit dito eh. Ayun o. Boom. Boom. Uy, patay tayo dito. Wait lang, wait lang. Teka lang, boy. Aray, pok. Ah, my gosh. Makulit kayo, ha? Uy, poking na. Ah, wait. Oh. Oh, man. Munti ka na akong maubos. Munti ka nang mamatay. Save ba ako dito? Tapos shortcut na lang, no? Kaya mo sila. Save tayo. May upgrade ulit. Let's go. Dito na tayo dumaan. Alam ko ito yung tamang daan eh. Kasi dito may shortcut eh. Malamang ito yung dapang daan. Tama tayo, tama. This is the right way. Boss fight. Oh, nakalaban ko na to. Ay, hindi, iba. Oh. First boss fight. Ano, parang ang hina pa ng gamit ko. Let's go. Aray ko. Dalawang attack pala yun. Ang galing, lumayo siya. Ayip. Aray ko po. Oh my gosh. Nice, that's my move. Oy, aray ko. Aray, Diyos ko. Okay. Peace at last. What? Alright. Oh my goodness. So, hindi ako aasa sa charge attack. Potent attack lang tayo. Potent attack lang. Hindi ka dito, boy. Aray ko po. Ba't ako natamaan nun? Nice one. Attack. Wait. Ito yung madaming attack eh. Yun. There you go. Oy, oy, oy. Free attack. Kaya lang wala akong ano. Huli ka. Tatalong ka pa. Wala na siyang stamina kasi. Oh shit. Phase 2. Oh! Wait! Oh my gosh! Oh! I survived! Ay, shit! Oh! Heal, 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 heal! There! Halika dito, boy! Uy! Putak, patay tayo dyan! Heal ulit, heal ulit! Uy, gagi! Attack! There you go! Are you dead now? Ay, hindi pa. Meron pa akong heal, pang heal. Meron pa akong pang heal. Wow, nag-alarm ba yung cellphone ko? Hell yeah! Oh my gosh. Yeah! There you go! What? Second try? Oh, fuck. You're dead. I'm excited to wear the new equipments, man. Mas maangas siya pag walang helmet eh. Kalimutan natin yung helmet. May bago ba akong helmet na nakuha? Parang meron. Yun, tapos na ba yun? Tapos na ba yung demo dun? Hindi pa.
What have we here?
What? Select difficulty easy. Normal tayo. Wait. Teka lang.
I was helpless. I was lucky it was the band.
So tutorial lang yun ng demo? Wow. Interesting. Give it to you?
Are we awake, sir?
Yes. Yes, I am.
You have a ghost possessing you. Apologies, but to conquer it, you must undergo the trials of the Snow Mountain. You must be.
Yung mga suot nila parang ano, no? Monster Hunter.
Possessing you is a
Monster Hunter ang style.
It will be very dangerous to purge yourself of it.
Your body. We must have it.
Gago tong mga to. Sinasapian siya. Ano kaya yung mga yon? Ang daming mystery ah. Mystery kung bakit siya naging traitor pero hero talaga siya. Mystery kung sino yung sumasapi dito. Malalaman ba natin? Malalaman ba natin dito sa demo? Talk.
You want to rid yourself of the ghost?
Kuimok.
Then this is the only way.
What's the only way?
To prove yourself in the trials of the three Bantu gods.
Trials of the three Bantu
Their
gods.
blessings.
Okay.
After that, you must find a way through the storm at the mountain's apex. Take my advice. Let fate be your guide.
Alright. Tell me about the trials of the
This
gods.
is the same trial Bantu warriors can choose to undergo.
Bantu warriors.
Of the Bantu
You mean monster hunters?
if you are worthy of their blessings.
Okay.
The trial will begin
When you pick up
the
the weapon. Oh.
The nature of the enemies depends on you. But the objective is always the same.
Defeat all enemies.
That emerge from the abyss.
Oh, okay.
There will be 3 trials.
And 3 blessings for
three
you.
blessings for you.
So I'm assuming 3 different weapons? Tell me more about the ghost.
Evil is no ordinary one.
Oh, it's a ghost.
Several different evil spirits now acting as
Now I know. Different evil spirits. Wow.
It has chosen you with the powerful emotions that
May
burn.
ganun pala dito.
You are a great prize for it. It will not willingly let you go.
Right. So possessed talaga siya. Why did you save
The
me?
monsters roar and found you. Maybe it was the will of the gods.
Will of the
The
gods.
Empire
Okay.
is our enemy, Kazan, but
Fair enough.
we still owe you much.
Kapani-paniwala.
If you had not defeated the Berserk Dragon, then we would all have been doomed.
Oh, okay. So naging hero siya dahil... Oo nga. Okay. Dahil dinipit niya yung Berserk Dragon. Climb up.
May the blessings of the 3 go with you.
Thank you. Quimak. Quimak ba tawag? Quimak ba yung pangalan niya? Parang Quimak nga. Quimak. Whoa!
Trying to get rid of us. Why would you want that? You think this will work? Go ahead. Try it.
Yes, I am. Yes, I'm gonna try. Loko, tawan-tawa. Saan tayo? Eh, teka lang, meron pala akong bagong gear. Sungay? 153. Ooh. Bagong sapatos. 136. Nice. How do I look now? Nice. Pwede na. Whoa. Naglalag. Storm Pass. So, hindi talaga siya parang no? Souls-like. Kasi meron siyang difficulty settings eh. Kung parang Wukong siya, or parang Souls-like, dapat wala siyang difficulty settings. Upgrade stats. Pure Vitality tayo. Endurance yata eh. Hindi, stamina recovery ito eh. Tapos proficiency. Vitality is resistant attack damage. Vitality lang tayo. Purong vitality tayo. Laban na ba to agad? Kala ko may kakausapin pa ako. Sino yung nag-save sa akin kanina? Hindi naman si Kumak yun ah. Skill points are used to learn weapon and common skills. If a skill is unlearned, the skill points will be returned. Spirit is Kazan's unique compatibility, a manifestation of his unwavering inner strength. It is earned through battle and consumed to unleash powerful skills that deal high damage. Okay. Skill points obtained. Bagong gear ulit. Skill 3, okay. Charge attack damage 7 against beast. Charge attack tayo. Inventory, nothing here. I don't wanna read all of that. Frenzy. Potent. Oh, wait. After the third attack of a potent blow or after the charge attack of a potent blow, performs a forward dash. Wait. Oh, pang-apat na attack ng potent blow. Kaya lang, ang tanong, meron pa ba tayong stamina pang-attack ng pang-apat na potent blow? Yun ang tanong. Itong frenzy, square or after sprint attack? During sprint. Ito yata ang mas okay. Kaya lang, dapat dodge. During dodge. Oh, wait lang. Skill stamina of dodging. During dodge, enhances the activated attack by pressing the potent blow button while dodging. Oh, alright. Parang yun yung kailangan ko. Yung swift attack, ano ba tong swift attack? Enables the use of a fifth strike of a... ayoko nyan. Parang gusto ko nga nito. To charge and use the skill. Hold upon activation. Okay. This one, dodge and attack. This one, decrease stamina cost of dodging. Ilan ba tayo? Isa lang. Ito lang. Parang gusto ko to. Magiging mas effective yan. Try natin. Nice. Nice. Okay. Okay. Where to? Try natin dito. May aso. Boom! One shot. Tibag. Shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Tatahol-tahol ka pa eh. Ubus. Gamit na gamit. Meron pa kalaban? Wala na. Hinihintay lang ako magtanong eh. Whew. So effective yung dodge, potent attack sa style natin. Aim, release while aiming. What? Ano to? Pana? Hindi. Ano to? Oy, spear. Catch it. Whoa, one shot. Sa mukha. Ayos yun ah. Dami pa oh. Anim na beses pwedeng gamitin. Ayos. Catch it. Oof. You're dead. Uy. Mas mabilis ako sa'yo, boy. Wait, teka lang. Experience ba yan? Ang laki naman ng... Wala. Open field, pero isa lang daanan. Shit. Ah. Uy! Uy! Uy, teka lang. Tanga na, stun ako. Makulit tong isa. Oh my gosh. Uy! Kulit nyo ah. Diyan na munti ka pa munti ka pa ako mapatay dun. Wala namang iba dito. Walang ibang makukuha. Munti ka pa ako mamatay. Shit. Heal na nga ako. Mas mapapahamak tayo pag hindi ako nag-heal eh. Ay. Heal? Bakit natumba siya eh? Oh my gosh. Alright. Ang tinatago nyo dito. Kawawa naman yung mga ano, no? Yung mga yeti. Pinapatay lang yata sila dito eh. Hinahunting sila. Oh! Whoa! What's that? Aray! Diyos ko! Ang bawas! Heal! Oh my gosh! Oh! Don't run away! Makulit ka. Tatakbo ka pa. Akala ko boss. Gauntlet. Yun oh. Siyempre, automatic na yan. Parang pangit lang tignan. Pero, ayos na din. Let's go. Nadihado pa siya nung ano eh. Nadihado pa siya nung patakas siya eh. What's up? Oh my gosh, I missed. Ano dito sa kaliwa? Parang surprise attack eh. Dodge attack surprise. What is this? Kick? What do you mean? Shortcut? Right. Shortcut. Sa save point. So pwede akong mag-save. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Nice. Biruin mo nga naman, oh. Natsambahan pa yung save point. Ay, yung ano, yung shortcut. Buhay ulit sila. Tatawid ba sila? Hindi yata makakatawid yan, balad. Catch that. Talaga. Nahabol ako ng aso. Ay, may save point din pala dito. Adik. Ah, hindi. Kala ko save point eh. No matter how long it takes. Bantu. O, si Bantu yun ah. Oy, bagong espada. Nice. Tama lang na nakapag ano ako. Nakapag-save. Magaling. Tsaka Buster Sword. First weapon. O, second weapon na to. May weapon na tayo eh. Baka first weapon. Kasi sobrang generic lang ng ano eh. Nung weapon na dala-dala ko eh. You know. Angas. Brad. Monster Hunter na talaga. Ancient Warriors Worn Great Sword. A great sword. Okay. What do I do? What do I need to do? Just attack? Aray! Oof.
Why did you abandon our town?
Shut up! Whoa, my big boy!
I want to live. I have children.
Not today, brother! Oh, wait! Ba't nabubuhay sila? Heck! Aray ko! Tsaka naubos agad yung stamina ko dito sa ano na to. Isa pa! Nice. Hindi ko naririnig yung mga nagsasalita. Sila ba yun? Ito ba yung mga nagsasalita na to? Try natin charge attack. Boom! One shot. Oof. Let's go. Sino pa? Don't tell me tapos na yon. You have overcome the darkness of the past. May you find patience. Nice. Okay.
So you survived that one.
That's so easy, man.
That it will make much difference.
Talaga ba? Sabagay. Hindi nakakasira ng ng tombstone. Wait lang. Year, bagong espada. Oh. Skill 3. Great sword, sweep attack. Enable sweep attacks to be charged. Increase the charging speed and damage of the attack chain after the final attack. Wait. Again? Wait. Let's check the other one. When taking damage while attacking increases the damage of the ongoing attack and gains spirit. Oh. Dashes forward, pushing the enemy back before delivering a powerful downward strike. Command assign input. Oh, wait. Wait. Parang mas okay ito. Enables forward dodge attacks and sprint attacks to be charged. Swiftly dodges in the desired direction while delivering a spinning attack. R1. Wait. Unlearn. Parang gusto kong passive lang muna. Pwede bang? Oh, hindi pa pala yun. Increase the range of a charge attack. Unlearn natin muna natin yan. Yung dual wield ko, unlearn ko muna to para may points tayo. Yan, 3 points na tayo para sa Great Sword. So, enable swift attack to be charged. Okay. Increases the charging speed and damage of attack chain after the final attack. After swift attack. Oh, okay. Nice. Parang gusto ko to. Yeah. Yes natin. Mukhang malakas yun ah. Wait. Okay. Alright. Nice. Ayos na yun. Alright guys. Hanggang dito lang muna. Continue lang natin to sa pangalawa part. Siguro 2 part lang tong demo na to kasi malamang matatapos na baka 30 minutes na nga lang yung yung second part eh. So, putulin na muna natin to. 1 hour lang muna. See you guys on the next video. Bye guys.